Your kitchen doesn't need a renovation to stop looking boring. These 3 Amazon finds can change the whole feel of the room in one afternoon, and the last one might be the coolest thing you add to your kitchen all year. Today, we're going through 3 Amazon must-haves that instantly upgrade a boring kitchen. I'll leave the links to everything in the description below, so check that out if you want to grab any of these. If this is your kind of content, go ahead and subscribe now. 1. Under cabinet LED light strip. Have you ever seen a kitchen that suddenly looks twice as expensive with just one small change? An under cabinet LED light strip is the kind of find that makes you go, wait, that actually exists? It sticks right under your upper cabinets and lights up your counters like a whole different room. You peel the adhesive backing, press it into place, and plug it in or charge it depending on the model. No electrician needed. It usually runs about $20 to $35 for a full kitchen's worth. The wow factor is huge because it instantly makes the space feel modern and warm instead of flat and boring. It's trending because it's one of the easiest before and after upgrades on all of home decor social media. And it's an easy impulse buy. It's cheap, it takes 10 minutes to install, and it works with almost any kitchen layout. By the way, if you're enjoying this, tap subscribe. I've got a lot more of these coming. 2. Magnetic knife storage strip. Do you love the idea of your counters looking like something out of a cooking show? A magnetic knife strip mounts right on your wall or backsplash and holds your knives in place with a strong magnetic bar, no bulky block taking up counter space. You just mount the strip with the included screws or adhesive, then line your knives up along it, blade up. It's usually around $15 to $25. The wow factor is that it instantly clears clutter and makes your kitchen look sharp and intentional, pun kind of intended. It's trending because it's a small change that photographs really well and makes even a basic kitchen feel styled. And it's an easy impulse buy. It's affordable, takes a few minutes to put up, and frees up real counter space right away. Don't forget, I've got the link to this one and the next one down in the description. 3. Countertop nugget ice maker. Can you imagine having that soft, chewable ice from restaurants right on your kitchen counter whenever you want it? A countertop nugget ice maker is the kind of find that makes you go, wait, that actually exists? You fill the built-in water tank, hit one button, and in minutes it's cranking out small, soft ice pellets straight into a bin ready to scoop. Prices land around $150 to $250 depending on the size. The wow factor is honestly massive. It's one of those appliances that turns into the centerpiece everyone asks about. It's trending because that specific style of ice has basically become its own social media obsession. And it's an easy impulse buy for anyone tired of hard, boring ice cubes and wants their kitchen to feel a little more like a treat every day. So there you have it. 3 simple finds that can take a plain, boring kitchen and give it a completely different feel without touching a single wall or spending renovation money. From better lighting to cleaner counters to a genuinely fun little upgrade with the ice maker, these are easy wins you can knock out in a weekend. If you want to grab any of these for yourself, I've got every link down in the description below. And if you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit subscribe. I've got a lot more kitchen and home finds like this coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.